Aloha and welcome to our channel. So in this video I decided I was going to try to clean or restore my wife's headlights, because you can see that they're pretty well beaten up from sun damage and everything, and I found on a video that I could kind of buff it out with compound and polish. So this is just an experiment to see how well it came out. So here I am taping up the headlight, make sure that there's no issues or problem with it when I'm using the grinder or the buffer on it. Okay. So yeah, so we're going to try it on the next one as well. I use the orange pad, and I start off with the compound first, and then go over it, wipe it down, and then I do polish again, just to kind of really make sure all the debris is off of there.
I need to do this on your truck today.
So this is just the compound and buffing it. That is quite a difference. Now we'll do the polish and see how much better it gets. My wife's car, it's a 2012 Mazda CX-7, and it's over a decade old. So I'm just going to tape it up here real quick. Make sure we don't, not like it would hurt any of the paint or anything, but so you can see on this,
so yeah, it's just interesting.
This headlight here, I hadn't done anything
compound
to it.
First,
you can see all the sun damage and blemishes to it. So now I'm about to tape it up to protect it.
Yeah. We'll see how well it cleans this one.
Or prep the headlight as it is to get ready to polish it with the compound first and then the polish afterwards. Probably gonna need more before we do the cars. You can already tell that it's already getting a lot clearer here as I'm buffing it out with the compound first. Wow. And I'll do the polished one.
It's crazy.
So I went and I changed the pad to the black pad because it's softer. Now we're going to do the polish, same thing that we just did with the compound. Again, this is just this polish. I've used it before, I really like it. Kind of just spread it around and then work it in.
off. That's what it looks like. So that's how, just to restore the headlights. I think it spent just as much time taping it all up as it actually was buffing it all out, but yeah, it should definitely improve visibility when you're driving and the amount of light that goes down there, especially on older headlights like this. So yeah, I guess we'll test it out when you drive at night to see how well it works, but it should definitely be way better than it was. I look brand new. Thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe if you want to see more.